Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a Gaussian blur effect in CapCut app on your phone. It's a very simple process and we're going to go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you've already downloaded the CapCut app. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, here you can see the new project button, tap on it. Now select the video clip where you want to edit and add the Gaussian blur effects and tap on the add button. Now the video is imported to your CapCut project. Now in order to add the Gaussian blur effect, you need to find the effects space. So here you can see the menu option at the bottom. Find the effects option, tap on it, choose the video effects. And once you're in the effects space, you can scroll through and find the blur effect that you want. Or you can go to the search bar and type in Gaussian blur effect. Now in CapCut, it doesn't have the blur effect with the name Gaussian blur. But there are several other options like halo blur, oblique blur, chroma blur, vertical blur, and many more. So you can just go through these blur effects and choose what might fit for you. So for now, I'll choose oblique blur. You can later on adjust its intensity so that you might get your desired results. So here you can see adjust option, tap on it. Here you can see the slider for the blur effect, so you can control how strong the blur will be. Once you're done selecting the effect, tap on this check mark. Now the blur effect is added to your timeline. You can adjust the timing of the blur effect just by dragging it. And once you're ready, tap on this play button to preview your results. You can customize the effect according to your need. So that's how you can add blur effect to your CapCut video project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.